Hi everyone, it's Yvonne here from Calabria Property Services, and I just wanted to show you this historical property that we have for sale in Belmonte Calabro, which is approximately 50 minutes drive north of Lamezia Airport. And from its elevated position, it has stunning views of both the coastline and the mountains. It does retain a lot of its original features after some renovation by its current owners. And the house is ideal for entertaining as it has a large dining area which opens out onto a terrace where you can relax and enjoy those stunning sunsets. You enter the house through a large entrance hall and it has the bathroom off, with two good sized bedrooms and a fitted kitchen. There's also a lounge area, and that also has a balcony off where you can enjoy those stunning views. So if living in a traditional historical property is your dream, then this property could be for you.